no beat that can keep me lonely. 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 No beat that can keep me
Alright, Nick is riding his new friend. What's his name? Dick. Alright, everyone, Nick is gonna ride Dick.
Let's go! I thought I was gonna drop me.
Alright, fuck this.
Alright, no, that way, that's you for win. Fuck you, bitch.
Hey, guy, Bryce, look out. I don't want to hit you, son. Don't worry about it. Is that working for you? Is that working for you? Oh! Here it comes! Oh, that wasn't a good amount. We are not doing very well today.
Nick's still going. Creamer challenge. It's got 5 creamers. They're all full.
If you can do it without popping the woody, you win.
Alright.
I don't think I can do that. I already lose.
Alright, Nick, let's see it.
The only bad part about this is probably I have diarrhea later.
Oh, it looks like he's drinking.
I see it run
Look
down.
at it. Oh, looks like he's drinking jizz.
See you later, bathroom.
They're all done.